alternator decouplers. This one over here on the left hand side, this is a new alternator. This one over here is off the vehicle. It is completely locked up. The purpose of the decoupler is that when the alternator is rotating in this direction, being driven by the belt, that if the engine speed is suddenly reduced, that the mass of the alternator will continue in motion even though the belt has slowed down. So essentially, it's spinning really fast, and all of a sudden the engine speed decreases, and this comes to a slower RPM. The mass of the alternator is allowed to continue on its path, inertia carrying it through, and this decoupling effect actually reduces belt wear, and it also reduces fuel economy losses due to the engine struggling against the mass of the alternator. Decouplers are used on a lot of late model vehicles, and when they go bad, they can actually cause a dry belt to go bad, or it can also make noises, and it decreases your overall fuel economy by anywhere from a half a mile to the gallon to 1.5 miles to the gallon. So alternator decoupler, when it goes bad, it can affect fuel economy, and it also can cause problems with the belt.